Hey love, welcome to my channel where we empower women 35 and over to feel strong, healthy, and confident in their own skin. I'm Erica and I'm so excited to have you here. On this channel, I'm going to be providing you with guided workouts where I do every exercise with you. Think of me as your workout partner and I'll never give up on you, so don't give up on me. In each workout, I'm not only going to be telling you exactly what exercise to do, but I'm going to be teaching you how to choose your weights, how many reps to do, how long to do it for, so that you can reach optimal results without getting hurt. But it's not just about working out. I'm going to be giving you some of my favorite recipes that not only taste good, but are good for you. Plus, I'll be sharing valuable insights and tips on what I'm doing to currently combat the effects of perimenopause. Because feeling amazing isn't just about what we do in the gym, but what we do overall to balance our hormones and combat the effects of aging while aging strong, living bold, and gracefully. So if you're ready to embrace a stronger, healthier, and more confident you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our community. And better yet, go right to our video on how to start your fitness journey, where I give you 3 tips on how to get started and your detailed workout plan. I can't wait to hear all about your journey. Please don't ever hesitate to write down in the comments how it's going or reach out to me on Instagram at FitWithErica. Thanks for stopping by. Let's go ahead and get strong, get healthy, and feel good. I'll see you in the next video.